Good, good day, everyone. Nice to see you. The black pearl is finished. The sails are furled because that way they don't hide anything. And as you can see, everything is done. Both sides of the pearl are finished. I know I'm a lousy photographer. Cannon deck, they work nicely. That's the paper army standard for Warhammer. We are the faction of paper. But anyway, these are all the very cool things that you can do with recycled paper. I hope you all enjoy this, and it is an amazing build. I can't really show you much with this, but the lights, you can see they come on really well. So the lamps, those were interesting to make. I had to make the inside of the lamps, and I had to cover them with the tissue paper and then cover them on the outside with stuff. So anyway, very cool build. This has over 4,500 pieces of paper to build it, and thread, and sails, and it was 485 hours build time. It took me 6 months in the show. Okay, you guys, salute!